Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2018 Hyundai i10 SE Go. This car comes with the 1.2 petrol engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant and returns up to a very impressive 60 miles to the gallon. A low insurance group of 2, so ideal for new drivers, and this is a one owner vehicle having covered just over 9,000 miles and comes with full service history. This colour is the metallic champion blue and looks in great condition and fair to mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the equally clean interior. There's 2 cup holders in the centre between the seats for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth. A few other features I can mention: the car also has air conditioning, cruise control on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and then on the driver's door card, your electric mirror and 4 window controls. The i10's always been a popular small car with low running costs, and for a small car you've got a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. There's also a cup holder there in the centre for the rear passengers too. Opening the tailgate, you can fold the back seats down flat and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, which is very rare these days, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see. Externally, the car comes with the 14-inch diamond Cartello wheels. And the car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or if you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.